Any more questions regarding the HOR probe? MC, Philippine Daily Inquirer.
Hi ma'am, good afternoon. Regarding din sa probe, kasi apparently parang there was a response from some of the congressmen about, yun sa, dahil wala nga po kayo ngayon doon, won't you ever attend the House probe, diba? Parang, is there a chance that you might still appear there or at least, kumbaga parang, have any other responses in responses sa sinasabi nga nila na hindi raw po kayo uma-attend doon sa mga ongoing na inquiry ngayon relating to the alleged anomalies during your time sa DepEd?
Opo. Nasabi na po namin doon sa opening statement ko kung ano yung sa tingin ko ginagawa ng House of